Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with another video for you guys, and I'm going to be doing something different today. I'm going to be applying that Kaprielle 24K Gold Luxury Face Mask today. If you guys are interested in buying this face mask, I do have a coupon code and it's Yani. I will link everything down below in the description box. So before you start watching, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also follow me on my social media that I will link down below. With that being said, let's get started. So of course we do have to start off with a clean face. I already washed my face, so it's clean. So this comes with the sheet masks, with the 24K Gold sheet mask. So this comes with a small 24K Gold serum with the big one as well. The big one looks like this. And then the smaller one comes with this small serum, and then it also comes with the 24K Gold masks, which is what I'm going to be applying today. I'm going to be taking this small serum first, which is a rose gold serum, and then after that I'm going to be taking the 24K Gold masks. So I'm going to read out the ingredients for you guys just in case some of you are going to be wondering what this contains. It comes with organic jojoba oil. Sorry if I didn't say that right. I'm really bad at names. So it also contains organic rosehip seed oil, vitamin E, 24K Gold, organic Egyptian geranium rose essential oil, and Moroccan rose essential oil. So that's what it comes with. So before you apply this, or before I apply it, I do have to shake this very well so that way you could get everything that's in there in your face. Of course, first I'm going to be taking this one. So I don't know if you guys could see this. This is how the serum looks. So I'm going to be applying this all over my face. Basically, you're going to apply the serum where you're gonna apply the sheet masks. So I'm just going to pin my hair back. Next, carefully I'm going to be getting the 24K Gold sheet masks. And when you apply these, you do have to be very careful because the sheet masks are very fragile. So this one, I already messed it up, because I just wanted to show you guys that these sheets are very sensitive, so when you're going to apply them you do have to be very careful. But I mean, I'm still gonna apply it. This is what I mean. I don't think I could use this one, so this one ain't gonna work. So now I'm just going to start applying the sheet mask all over the areas that I'm going to be applying it to. I'm just going to apply these, and now we're going to set our timer, and we're going to leave this on for 30 minutes. So if you need to do your hair, you could go ahead and do your hair, do whatever you need to do. So in 30 minutes, I'll be right back. So the 30 minutes are up, and I'm going to be removing the 24K Gold sheet masks, but I'm going to be taking the big 24K Gold rose serum to do that. And just make sure that you always shake the serum real good so you could get everything in there. So to remove it, we're going to put some drops here, here, and a circular motion. I'm just going to be rubbing it off. So after removing the face mask, my skin does feel a lot smoother, being that right now with the cold weather my skin tends to be more on the drier side, even though my skin complex is oily. But in the wintertime it does get a little bit more drier, especially on my forehead and right here. So after definitely removing the mask, it did moisturize my face or my skin. So there you guys have it. Thank you so much for watching, and if you guys enjoyed watching this video, please thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And like I said, if you guys are interested in buying the product, you can go ahead and use my discount code for some money off, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.